speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. In the morning, as the afternoon, we lay awake.
Tay! Tay! Eto, may pagkain ako sa'yo. Dito ka? Anak mo? Ah, anak mo. Ay, tol. Patira na lang, ha? Sige, ingat kayo dito. So, isang mag-ama pala yun. Akala ko, tinawag niya iligpit daw yung pagkain. So, nag-uusap sila. Hindi ko na sila inantala, instorbo. Nag-uusap silang dalawa Pero mag-ama pala silang dalawa. So, paano nangyari yun? So, mahabang istorya, hindi natin alam, no? So, sila lang nakakaalam kung ano yung merong klaseng buhay meron sila ngayon. Salamat na lang din. At isa sila sa mga nadaanan natin ngayong araw. Salamat sa Diyos.